All right, guys, we're gonna talk a little bit more about this bike. I got some pretty good interaction and everything over it, especially the clutch. We'll talk about that in a second. Shout out to Law Tigers for sponsoring the video. And hey, Lowbrow, I'm doing stuff over here, but Law Tigers is definitely helping me out with all this. So if you need motorcycle injury lawyers, definitely hit them up. So back to Shovel Chopper over here. So this is the one that I took. This is an 81 FLT motor. This is a ratchet top transmission, obviously not with an FLT and mixed match things. This frame I think was a 70 something, maybe no, this is a 60 something. It doesn't matter. Throttle addiction, hardtail kit, all this other stuff's thrown on. You guys seen a bunch of the shorts. So the clutch here has gotten a decent amount of interaction. So this is called a Hellside clutch, at least in Japan. So basically all you're gonna do is just use your foot here to actuate the clutch. So you push down on that and that's going to move the chain, which then moves the clutch arm and actuates the clutch basket. So with all that, outside of it's just a basic jockey shift setup. But I've run a few different styles with suicide clutch pedals, rocker clutch pedals, and everything else. So I wanted to try something that was completely different. I've seen this run before by one or two bikes. It's not an extremely common setup, so I wanted to throw this on here and see how it was going to do. I did space it out a little bit more, so you can see how it comes this way off of the primary chain. So when you put your foot down, you can kind of go past it almost. I'll probably rub my boot on this some, but that'll be fine. I used to hit it all the time with my other suicide clutches anyway. I think this chain's been on like 6 bikes now, so these things last a whole lot longer than people give them credit for. The rest of the bike, let's see, Excelsior rear tire, so shout out to Bo for hooking me up with this. And this fender, I think I got in Texas. I made the sissy bar out of some random stuff and everything you guys seen around. This seat came from New Jersey. Gas tank, we did the flame job and everything on that with the acetylene, so hopefully you guys kind of dig that. I did the whole frame, everything all over, and just kind of made it look all nasty and dirty, right? So oil tank and everything along with it, because this whole motor and everything's just all still crusty. Now it has been bored over. It's got brand new 20 over pistons in it. Cylinders have been honed. Went through, lapped the valves, did everything on the inside, checked out all of it. It's got row valves and everything already put in it. But I wanted to leave it looking crusty. So I left everything in here just the way it is. So you can see the rust and crust and everything, just all just how I wanted it to be, how I wanted it to look. Obviously, I'm gonna clean up some of these angles and all that sort of stuff once I make sure all this is actually how I wanna have it set up. Front end is 35 mil, regular trees, didn't go super narrow on it, but I did go 8 over. And then the lowers, after I shaved them, same thing. So I just acetylene and then came back with a little bit of clear over top of it to give it, it's almost like a gunmetal look, but I didn't want it super shiny with the way the rest of the bike is. I've still got to put the lifters and the push rods in, so all this is covered up right now. But the exhaust, so this is actually for a Jenny shovel, so it comes down and around under here, and then it's going to duck back out and go to a little bit of up sweeps, but I really like how these are both dumping right here almost at the rear axle. I think it's going to give it a pretty good look. That's all the major stuff for now. I've still got to do all the wiring. Still got to go through and fix a few other random things. And then my kid's drawing my trash can. But once I get through with all this, I really think this bike's going to be a fun one to run around on once I can get it all sorted out. This clutch is going to be a fun thing to play with. I've got like 4 or 5 different regulators, so I'll throw one of those on there. One of them's got to work. And then I went with just a basic round headlight up here for now. I was thinking about the square one, but I keep going back and forth between it. And then just the same old crusty bracket. All this was together. I just changed the tubes out because it had stock link tubes, but everything with this 35 mil was all one unit. These legs, which I cut down and shaved, those trees, the headlight bracket, all of it was one complete thing when I picked it up.